In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to LinkedIn. Let's get started by signing in. Open the LinkedIn website in your browser or the LinkedIn app on your phone and log into your account. A stable internet connection will make the upload smoother. Once you're in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed, which is your homepage. At the top of your feed, look for the box that says Start a Post. Click or tap that to begin creating your update. You'll see a few content options appear, such as photo or article. Choose the video option so LinkedIn knows you're sharing a video file. Now it's time to add your video. You can click Upload to browse your files or simply drag and drop your video into the upload area. Select your file and hit Open. Give it a moment to load. For best results, use a common format like MP4 and make sure the video looks and sounds clear before you upload. Shorter videos usually perform better, so aim to keep it concise and focused. Next, add your caption. Think of this as your video's headline and context in one. Start with a strong hook that tells people why they should watch, then briefly explain what they'll learn or gain. Keep it professional and relevant to your audience. If appropriate, include a simple call to action, like inviting viewers to share their thoughts. You can also add a couple of specific relevant hashtags to help the right people find your content, but avoid overloading your caption. Before you publish, take a moment to review your post. Play a few seconds of the video to confirm the audio is clear and the framing looks right. Double check the spelling and tone of your caption and make sure it reflects the message you want to send to your network. When everything looks good, click post. LinkedIn may take a short while to process your video. That's normal. Once it's live, early engagement can help visibility, so be ready to respond to comments and keep the conversation going. A few quick tips for better results. Keep your video short and professional. Focus on delivering a clear message or practical value, and use a strong opening line in your caption to draw viewers in. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.